What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Smooth Love portion SLP, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at just above 0.002 cents in target. So is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it, is what we're going to be going through in today's video, and also looking at why has it gone for a sudden pump earlier this afternoon, what's caused it, or is it going to crash back down in value, so on and so on. So essentially we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high or how low can this crypto go? And going into 2024 soon, is this a crypto to be investing into, and is it a must-have in your cryptocurrency portfolio? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of SLP, which is here in purple at 0.001485 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 0.002 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, sorry. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, they are looking quite steep, which can only mean one thing: it is not realistic. So again, the only reason why it's looking so steep going in a bullish direction is because of the major pump that's taken place earlier this afternoon. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep going out, this space is going to keep pumping, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. So over the next 12 to 14 hours guys, I am expecting SLP to have dropped back down in value to around 0.0017 cents, or slightly lower than that is where I'm expecting SLP to be trading at by midday tomorrow. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours approximately. So yes, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially up to about 0.0023 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow below 0.0017 cents. Again, this is my prediction over the next 12 to 14 hours. Let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect? We've still got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards the positive direction. So once again, this is not realistic. So guys, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, do expect SLP to have once again gone for an overall drop in value, is what my expectations are. And at this point, it should be trading below 0.0016 cents, is what my expectations are at the moment. But that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well, up and down, quite volatile. But the overall outcome doesn't change. It is going to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, let's move on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. So what can we expect guys? We've got the blue and the orange line still looking quite steep. Again, not as steep as the previous two charts, but I still consider as quite steep compared to how it should normally look, meaning it is not realistic. Again guys, the pump in value over the last couple of hours has made the graph go absolutely crazy. And to be fair, Smooth Love portion has been gaining value and quite consistently for a week. Over the last, I can see about 10 days guys, has been more or less hitting green candles, except yesterday where it did take a little bit of a drop, but overall it has gained a decent amount of value. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say towards mid to end of the year, guys, December 2023, I'm expecting SLP to have gone for an overall drop in value once again. No major changes are expected. As you can see, since the start of the year, the crypto has been more or less dropping in value quite hard, and that is what's likely to carry on for the rest of the year as well. But I'm expecting Bitcoin to pump up in value towards the end of the year. We should be trading near about $40,000 on Bitcoin, and if that does manage to take place, then we should see more increases in value in the crypto market, in smoothed off portion as well, and in general the whole crypto market should be moving towards the green side. But again, I will keep you guys posted on that, on my predictions on Bitcoin. More or less, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market, and that is what is basically controlling the market in a bullish and bearish direction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. Unfortunately, there isn't much we can do here. As you guys can see, not only are we in the red zone, but we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to even hit the resistance target here to head into the green zone, we're gonna have to hit 3 cents in target, which we are nowhere near. It's gonna require a major percentage increase for us to hit the 3 cents target. It's going to be in the thousands of percentages, which I'm not expecting from SLP, at least for the next 2 to 3 years. So at the moment, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. As long as we can slowly and steadily increase in value heading upwards, we should be good to go. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 900%, making it $57 million in trading, guys, which is a huge percentage increase. It is one of the top gainers according to Binance as well. As you can see, the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it is getting a lot more attention, a lot more hype around it. So more and more people are trading it. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on SLP, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your predictions are on this crypto. Are you guys buying it? Are you guys selling it? Are you guys staying away from it, or are you just holding on to it? Comment down below and let me know what your predictions are towards the end of the year. How high or how low can it go, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.